Welcome back to AlphaCars and Motorcycles. My name is Ian, and today we're just taking a quick look at the dual LED driving light kit for the Ural sidecar. These do have the grills installed that protect the lenses. They are an optional extra, and they are linked in the listing, which these can be found, the whole kit can be found on our online store, which will be linked in the video and the description. So you can see here the bracket, how it mounts onto the front bumper of the sidecar. A note too, you do need the front bumper installed on the sidecar to be able to use this kit. And now let's take a look at this kit right as you get it out of the box. First, we have the two LED pods themselves. These are very nice quality. You can see the reflector housing's very nice. It's an all metal housing with these nice fins to disperse any heat. Then we have the bracket itself. You can see it says Ural right there. Very nice piece of kit. And then these bolts with these nice locking nuts. These secure the pods to the bracket. And then these smaller bolts here, all very nice stainless steel hardware, by the way. These secure the bracket to the front bumper of the sidecar using these two clamps, which would go in here and here. And you can see on this bracket too how this is made so it really grabs into that bumper and it won't rotate on you. Very secure fitment. And we have this very nice wiring harness here as well with these nice, you can see, matching waterproof connectors. So very, very high quality. And a note about the installation, when we install these kits here at AlphaCars, we do run the wiring harness through the front bumper. So we run it into the front bumper where the bracket clamps onto it, and then it'll run out of the back of the bumper, you know, between the sidecar and the Ural itself. So it's a very clean, you know, factory look. It keeps the harness, you know, out of the elements, also looking very clean, much better than having the harness, you know, zip tied or secured to the outside of the bumper in some way running, you know, along the sidecar. So we do recommend doing it this way if you are going to do it yourself. So that is just something I wanted you to be aware of, that is possible, and that's how we do it here. And now let's take a look at our listing on the website so we can get familiar with where we can get this awesome kit. And here's the listing on our AlphaCars online store. You'll find it's very easy to navigate with its straightforward layout. First, we see next to the photo gallery, we have the up-to-date pricing, and then we have any product reviews so you can see what people have to say about the product. And then we have a couple options here. As I mentioned earlier, you can opt to include the LED grill guards, so that does it automatically for you. And then there's a note here, if your toggle switch in the fuse panel is already in use, then you can add an extra toggle switch right here with a little extra plug and play harness, as we can see, so that's pretty cool. And then a feature which we're proud to offer is the option to show the full cost with installation here at AlphaCars. We can see we would just check this box right here. This is a very convenient and time-saving feature when trying to calculate all the costs involved with a particular product, and little to no other online retailers offer this function. So we can see now with installation, we can see the full pricing there. So very cool. And now moving below the photo gallery, we have the description, which it'll have the product's features, you know, specifications, any vehicle fitment notes, and if there's installation instructions available, they will be linked here as well. And that's all there is to it. I've got a treat for you. We're going to see the light output. I'm going to pull the Ural outside and turn the lights on, and we're just going to see how powerful these LED pods are. So I've got the Ural outside now. I'm standing on it, and let's turn on these driving lights. You can really see the nice widespread. It'll give you a nice look into the sides of the road, watch for critters. And we can see it has a very nice cutoff so it won't blind oncoming traffic, as you can just use these during the day to be seen, and of course at night to aid with the regular low beam. So this Ural, this is only the driving lights. This is without the normal low beam, which you will be using when you're riding. So now let me turn the low beam on as well. And this bike does have the LED upgrade. So I will link to that video as well. So you can see a before and after with the difference in the light output with that upgrade. But you can see with this combo, really you're gonna love riding this thing at all times of the night and be super confident and safe in doing so. With that, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was informative and enjoyable to watch. If it was, please leave a like and consider subscribing so you don't miss any more content. This has been Ian reporting from the Boxborough location, and until next time.